Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is part of the Plaid collaboration. All these ladies that you see over here are creators that are Plaid ambassadors. So we decided we're going to get together and create some DIY projects, all with the Plaid products. Also, there will be a giveaway of a box full of Plaid products worth $100. The only thing you have to do is watch everybody's videos and make sure to answer each creator's mystery questions. So pay attention. Okay, let's start with DIYs. DIY number 1. For this project, I'm using this Dollar Tree frame. I used it in some previous projects. It doesn't matter because I am going to be able to repaint it. So for this, I am using a white acrylic paint, a moon yellow, and a seashell pink. I'm going to mix them all up. Also, I'm going to be using these brushes from Plaid. After I mix it all through all those three, this is the color I got, kind of a tan or ivory color. So I'm gonna give this frame 3 good coats. It required 3 good coats. I was drying it in between, and after that it was completely covered as I wanted. Now I'm gonna leave this to dry. While that is drying, I am taking the backing of this frame, and there is a little hole because there was a hanger on the back. I'm going to put a little bit of spackling. I will dry it and then sand it off. After that, I'm taking this craft paper that looks like a burlap. It's from Hobby Lobby. It's so beautiful. I will trace it with a pencil and then I will cut it out. After I was done cutting it out, I'm going to use Mod Podge, and also I will be using this product that I received from Plaid. It is roller for Mod Podge. This is the first time using it and I absolutely love it. So first I applied for 1 coat of Mod Podge, and then I put my craft paper on, and then I roll it with this roller. That way all the bubbles and all the air comes out and it stays perfectly smooth. Now I'm going to take this brown acrylic paint and I will dry brush on the frame. This will give a little bit of texture to the frame and a little bit of dimension. I wanted to make just a little bit of stress, not too much. Then I'm going to assemble the frame, and then I'm taking these Sola wood flowers. Guys, these flowers are amazing. They are wood flowers, but they're soft. They're so beautiful, and I received them. I want to thank Sola wood flowers for sending me them. And I am going to go ahead and arrange them in the top left corner and hot glue 3 of them. I had to cut out the back a little bit because it was sticking out, so I can put them flat on my frame, and that's it for this project. I didn't want to add anything else. I really thought these flowers completed this project and there was nothing else needed to be added. I love the simplicity of this project and I really think it looks elegant, yet a little bit rustic because of that burlap and the stress frame. But I want to hear what you think about this one. As I said at the beginning of this video, this is a group collaboration, which means there will be a playlist. I will link it in my description box, so make sure to go ahead and watch everybody's videos, also to have a chance to participate in a giveaway. My dear friend Annie over at Indiana Jones is the one who gathered us all together, and I want to thank her so much. I'm going to have her channel linked in the description box as well. Now let's talk about this mystery question. That is, what is the name of the third paint beside white and moon yellow that I mixed for the first project? Answer this question and you will have a possibility to be entered in the giveaway. Okay, DIY number 2. For this project, I'm going to be using this wooden cube from the Dollar Tree Crafter Square. I will just be using the a larger one, and then I'm going to take a tape and I will tape it across diagonally on one side. Then I'm going to mix white and black acrylic paint and to get this beautiful rich gray color. And then I will paint the bottom portion of this side of this box that I taped. After drying it, I pulled it, and this is that beautiful crisp line. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the next side of this box, but I will go in the opposite direction. And then I will dry it also. I'll do the same thing all the way around on all four sides of this cube. And then this is how it looks like when everything was done. I like that actually this paint is not too thick. It made the wood show through. Now I'm going to take this brushed metal color. It is very similar to the gray that I achieved to get and painted this cube, but it is shinier. So I wanted just that a little difference. And I painted the rim on top like I'm showing over here. I left this to dry. Next, I'm going to take another Sola wood flowers that I was sent. These look like roses, and I will go ahead and get these picks. They're actually from the artificial flowers from Dollar Tree. I saved them, and I'm going to paint them with the gray paint that I used earlier. And then after they were dried, I'm going to just poke through the bottom of these flowers. Some were easy to, poke through, and some needed a little help of a hot glue. But either way, when everything was done, I was able to put them in this cube, and this is how this arrangement looks like. I, again, love this cube. I think it looks so modern and so sophisticated with these sharp, clean lines. And roses, I mean, they're timeless. And I really liked these flowers. I didn't want to paint them. They can be painted easily. I really wanted to leave them as they are, just plain and natural. And again, I want to hear what you guys think about this project. If you friends are new over here, if you're coming from the playlist, welcome. I'm Jelena. I am stay-at-home mom of 2 kids. I love crafting. I love doing DIY projects on a budget. All my projects are on a budget and very easy to create. And mostly in a rustic and farmhouse style, even though I am experimenting with the modern style and I like it a lot. If you guys are interested in something like that, please come and check out my other videos, and hopefully you like them enough to subscribe. Also, I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook, so if you're on social media, come and say hi. My regular upload times are Tuesdays and Fridays at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. Now let's go ahead and start with DIY number 3. For this project, I'm going to be using this Trick or Treat Dollar Tree sign. I bought it years ago, and I already peeled the backing. And it came out super easy, and I'm going to peel off the front. Now underneath is a cardboard, not that hard cardboard like the Dollar Tree signs are now. It is softer, but it's still going to work. And I'm taking this white acrylic paint, and I'm going to give this one full coat. I wanted it to have nice and crisp white color. When everything was dried, I am taking a larger craft sticks, and I'm cutting them down to the size to fit this sign. And after that, I am going to sand them a little bit, and then I will give them one coat of this black acrylic paint. Now after applying one coat, I took wet wipe and or actually baby wipe, and I cleaned off the excess, leaving just a stain looking effect. Now that everything was done and dry, I am going to attach these to the sides, actually corners of the sign with a hot glue. Now that this is done, I'm going to take these letter stickers. I got them from Dollar General, and I'm going to spell out a word family. Now I put them on a ruler. I saw other YouTubers doing it, and it is a cool idea, but you saw it didn't really work for me. I had to do it twice. But, you know, it makes it look straight. After that, I'm taking these Dollar Tree smaller letter stickers, and I'm using my ruler as a guide, and I am spelling out above all. After that, if you want, you can go ahead and use a Mod Podge to put one layer on top. I didn't do it this time. Now I'm taking these rainbow stickers, unicorn stickers, and I'm gonna take all these paint, different colors, and I will start with a black acrylic paint, and I will dab it with this chippy brush. I'm gonna dry it, and then I'm gonna go ahead with a light gray paint. Then I'm gonna do copper, and after that I will use a brushed metal and then a little bit of brown. That way I will create this very old and rusty look of these nail looking stickers, and I'm going to put them in 4 corners of my sign. They're adhesive, so they were easy to put on. Then I'm going to do these 2 picks, boxwood picks, and I'm going to apply them on the top of my picture, or actually sign, and I'm going to take this ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I will create a very simple bow, and I'm going to hot glue it on the top right in between the greenery. And that is going to be it for this project. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love this project. I love everything about it. I love how simple it is. I love the colors. It is very subtle. I love the saying, of course, family is the most important thing for me. And I love everything about this one. But if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. And if you're new, subscribe. I would really love to have you. Don't forget to answer my mystery question. Don't forget to check out the playlist and answer everybody's mystery questions to be able to enter the giveaway. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.